Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha Sultana Narayanpet, and in today's video I'll be sharing a sample lesson for teaching. It might be a lesson plan, sample lesson plan for you, but this is what I prepared for my lesson plan. And so this video consists of two lesson plans, that is first one is English and second one is social science. So these are my methods in B.Ed, okay, using integrated methods. Okay, so after completing our micro teaching practice sessions, we were instructed to conduct an integration class. Okay, this means combining all the teaching skills, all the micro teaching skills into one comprehensive session. The integration class is expected to expected to last for 45 minutes, during which we were required to use charts and make effective use of the blackboard. Okay, now although it is called a lesson plan, it is important to note that everything you plan to whatever the things you present in the classroom must be clearly written in the lesson plan as well. Okay, so the lesson plan include general objectives, specific objectives, and introductory questions and statement of aim. In statement of aim, this is where you introduce the chapter or topic in front of the class. Okay, for instance, if the English lesson is the boy who sold wisdom, as you can see it here, you will be you have to begin by asking 6 to 7 engaging questions to lead the students. Not only 6 to 7 questions, it is it is our lecturers particularly mentioned that we have to ask only 5 questions. In the fifth question, the student have to say the chapter name. Okay, in case if students are not able to understand the questions, or not getting the topic name, then you can add two more questions, 6 to 7 engaging questions to lead the students toward guessing the topic. By the seventh question, the students should ideally be able to name the chapter. So once they do, you clearly state, so in today's class we will study the lesson called or titled The Boy Who Sold Wisdom. You have to utter this sentence in front of the students in the classroom. Okay, then you then write the chapter name on the blackboard and proceed according to the flow of your lesson plan. Okay, so this video consists of so first I'm just the first one. So this is whatever you are seeing on the screen, this is English lesson plan, and after its completion, I'll start showing the social science lesson plan. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or suggestions for me, or if you have any queries, then feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Okay, so this is Neha Sultana signing off. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye.